Hi all. So in this video we will learn about how to use indexes in XPath, right? So the way you can use the indexes in XPath is first of all you need to write an XPath, right? Like double slash then any XPath strategy. That means you can use capture the XPath using text or using an attribute starts with function, right, or contains whatever the thing, right? So in next videos you will learn about relationships in navigation path, right? So any that means basically XPath exists, right? So anyway you can find the XPath, right? So then so that kind of XPath will return two DOM elements, right? Two elements, right? So two or more than two or more elements for that one, right? That specific XPath, not only the single element, right? So in that case, so you need to provide, hey, I need the first one, I need the second one, likewise, right? So then you can use indexes for that. For example, so don't use this one if you have any way to capture the XPath, which is a unique XPath. If you can capture the unique XPath using any strategy, right? So then no need to use indexes. So but if but there is only one way to capture that specific XPath and it will return more than one XPath, right? So then you can use indexes, right? uh, right, we will go with kind of example, right? So indexes start with 1, right? The first element is 1, the second element is 2, likewise, right? Okay, not to start with 0, right? uh, then I'll go with example like I have already captured the XPath here. So input contains at placeholder enter. Here you can see that enter, that placeholder enter has two uh, placeholder enter contains in two HTML elements, right? Username and password. Here you can see that one of two is written, right? So now you think like there is uh, only way the only way you can capture the XPath is this one, right? There is no other you can't use any XPath strategy to capture this enter username. So this is the only way you can just assume this is the only way you can capture this username text field, but unfortunately it will return two XPaths, right? So then what you can do is you can just wrap the whole XPath with parentheses, right? Wrap the whole XPath with parentheses, right? Here wrap the whole thing with parenthesis, and after that you can provide scare brackets and you can say 1. So then you can see that username is highlighted. So if you provide 2, then second XPath, which is password field, is highlighted, right? So this is one way you can capture the XPath, but my recommendation is don't use indexes if you have kind of way to capture the XPath uniquely. So otherwise you can use these indexes, right? Okay.